more glues, pipe dopes, and putty. Another tray for plumbing. Couple extension bits, hole saw, 1/4-inch drive sockets, and socket wrench. It's actually 3/8, but it has a 1/4-inch adapter that came with. In here, this is construction adhesive, and then Pheno Seal. Most of what I carry is clear, but I got a couple of whites. I got this glue gun. You got to get one of these. More silicone, or yeah, silicone, painter's caulk, bunch of silicones. I got a deal on those. I went to Habitat and I got them for like $1 a tube. My PEX, 1/2-inch and 3/4 wrenches. Well, actually, I got this one too. This is for stainless steel pinch clamps. I just got that a little while ago because I was doing 1-inch and I didn't want to buy another crimper that only does one size. This is for the copper rings. This is compact, actually made by an American company called Mill 3 Inc. Highly recommended. Go to their website. Just look up Mill 3 Inc. See that? Just for copper rings, 1/2-inch. And I do have the calibration no-go gauges for both of them. Okay. These are 1/2-inch Pro Press fittings. 3/4-inch Pro Press fittings. Those are PEX. And then that's CPVC. I was doing a job the other day, repair job, using my Pro Press. I'm gonna put the picture up right here of the job I did the other day with that. It was a quick in and out repair. Great money. I'm not gonna get into how much, but I maybe at a later date get into that, what I charge. But let's put it this way, I'm not cheap. Let me get back to this. My DeWalt blower, Milwaukee air compressor, another charger. I'll show you my charging station in the back. Here's a chop saw, a carry-all. What's cool about this slide compound miter, so you can move it out of the way, and you can get, there's a cubby hole I built in here, towels, blankets, and drop cloths. Okay, this is mostly toilet parts. I have a spigot, more plumbing parts. I built this out of wood. Originally I had this shelf unit when I bought the van, but then I bought this, and then I decided to build this out of wood, and it just worked out perfectly. Got a DeWalt table, and I'm also, see, I also have the H tracks. So you just take the bungee cord off, and now you got the table out. Okay, up here I have these parts bins, another thing of shop towels, contractor bags, straps. I have electrical outlets and switches in there, and then I have staples, shims up there. These are deck screws, tap cons. This one's empty for now. 2-foot level, keeps everything from moving around. Okay, now here's another organizer. This is the one I bring on jobs when I'm doing electrical. Wire nuts, pigtails, miscellaneous screws, straps, yada yada. Different kinds of screws, colored tapes, wall anchors. I just started organizing this for plumbing, so don't have much in there, But these are the stainless steel cinch clamps. I really didn't like these at first, but I think everything has its place, and I will use these if I have to. These are my go-to copper crimp rings. Okay, 3/4, 1/2 inch, some straps, some ferrules and nuts. I have one of these left over for 1 inch. I did a job, Pelican water system, and yeah, I had one left. These are CPVC 1/2 inch to PEX transition. I like these. I always like transitioning to PEX. I do not like CPVC. Okay, I didn't even put anything on the other side yet. Towels, rigid camera, DeWalt stapler, brad nailer, 18 gauge. This piece of wood here is installed on an angle, so it keeps the crates from moving around. That's where I keep my circular saw. And here I keep my water pump for draining water heaters. He's a good boy, right? Yeah, are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Love it. Let me take you to the back of the truck. Okay, here it is in the back. I've got a charging station, vise, 4-foot long pieces of pipe, PEX copper, CPVC, PVC, and sometimes furring strips, clamps, kneeling pad, a broom, 4-foot level, 100-foot extension cord, and then I got a 4-foot ladder. I do have a roof rack that I'm going to be installing soon. On here is a bucket where I keep short pieces of pipe. Okay, a couple of pipe wrenches, aluminum, heavier one, and then I get another big one. I think that's a 24-inch. That's a 14-inch, and then an 18-inch. Supply tubes, some more shorter pieces. Actually, the shortest go in here, and then they get a little bigger, and then a little bigger. On the roof, I'm going to put something to hold longer pieces of pipe. That's where I keep my dog. Let me slide this out real quick. This is where I keep my circular saw. It's real easy to get out. See, it just it's a 60 volt max. It's easy. It's just a great place to put it, you know. All right, let me put this back. Okay, actually this just worked out so awesome because this shelf right here keeps these from moving around too. Some more electrical, loose wire, 12 gauge. There's my dog. I got you in a good spot, don't I? Sit down. Sit. Good boy. See, now I got more space. So I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks and have a good one. Take care.